Okay. Hi, plant friends. I got plant mail. I don't know how I'm gonna get into this. Okay. Okay. I should probably close this before I hurt myself. I ordered a Monstera Subpinnata. This has been in the mail since the 23rd. Okay, so it came really well packaged. These guys also do a lot of orchids. Oh man. They know how to package their plants. Orchids don't do transit very well. Oh my god. Okay, I have to. So Ecuagenera, they have a base kind of in Florida. Okay. So that's where this came from. And it says Monstera Subpinnata right there. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh man, there's a fly in my wine. Typically plants like this come bare root. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh boy. Oh. Okay, here it is. It has the fenestrations and everything. Okay. It looks like there's a little bit of rot from an old leaf, and the new leaf is coming out all curly from chipping, but that's whatever. This leaf here is also the oldest leaf, and these two look fine. This comes packed in sphagnum moss. Oh boy. So I want to take a look at the roots. Some of them are kind of black, but not all of them. This is an okay root system. See how some of these are kind of black? They're not super squishy, but that is an indicator that it could have had some root rot at one point. But overall, this will be fine. I'm gonna just put it in a glass of water. I'm gonna come back through later and take care of these roots. But as of right now, I'm going to put it in just a glass of water like this and let it recuperate for a couple months, or maybe not even months, maybe just a few weeks. It just kind of depends. This is a prolific grower, so eventually I'll pot it up, and it climbs a lot. It's a prolific climber is what I should have said. And so I'm gonna put it on a moss pole. This plant is so cool. I am so excited. My goal is to get like every single Monstera ever, so sorry about that, Pat, but that's what I want. Oh, I'm so excited. Thanks for watching.